back to another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how can you create your own calculator using C#. So, in this, first you have to write the things that you anyways have to write, which is using system. This using system.link can be removed because it's not of any use. Then you can write public class project. You can give any name. Then you can open one curly bracket and write public static void main and write string args. Then open that and then you can initialize some variables. I have done it for answer, manual, int x, int y. Then for introduction, I have written console.writeLine, the first thing that would appear when you will turn it on. Then I've asked the user for a choice that if he wants to access the user manual, which I've written below it, he or she can press X or press any other key to just skip it. And then I've just written this line for asking for the user input. Then I've added if manual is equals to X, and if he presses X, then this code will be executed. If he does not, then this code will be skipped. So console.writeLine. Then I've written the user manual, welcome to the user manual of this calculator and what all operators are available. Then I've added the input value of X. Then I've added enter the value of X. Then console.readLine. Then this line can be removed, it's of no use. So in this I've added this in because it is whenever you take user inputs, the input is always in string. So I've created a variable x1 which will take the user input, and then I've created a variable x in which I will convert x1 into x. Then I've added value of y using the same thing. This thing can be anyways removed, and we can just remove this block code. That's fine. Then we have the operator, which is enter the operator, and we have created a variable oper which will take the user input. Then I've added the condition that if the operator is, there are many operators. So starting with the plus, I've written if operator is equals to plus, then curly brackets open and answer is equals to x plus y. Same thing for minus, multiplication, division, modulus, which is the remainder operator, exponential. So over here you see that I haven't used the normal sequential way that I was using. Over here I have used math.power. Math is a function in C# that you can use to use the functions of math, which are like power, maximum, minimum, square roots, and many things. So I've used power of x, where x is the number and y is the exponent over here. And then you can add the greater than, less than using the math.max xy and math.min xy. Then I've also added if the user types sqrt, then it will take the square root of x, and y over here will not keep any value, and else it will write invalid operator. And for the output, if we talk, I have written the value of the number x is, then I've concatenated this string with this string, which is an integer, and if there are two things to add or any number of things to add and concatenate, and one of them is a string, then what the C# interpreter does is that it converts the integer into string. So it has converted x into string and added it with this string and concatenated it. You'll get to know. Then I've written the value of y is plus y, and the operator used is operator, and the answer is answer. So if we preview this, so I've written hello user, this is a calculator and you can use this to calculate the value of two numbers using x and y. If you want to get a full user guide, press x and press any other key to skip and use uppercase. So I want to see the user guide, I can type x, press enter, then I will get the user guide, which is the following operators are available: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, greater than, less than, in which x is the base and y is the exponent, square root. This estimation thing can be left out. I actually forgot to remove that. Anyways, just skip that for now. I can put any value, suppose 25. and if I put the value as 2, and if I write SQR, or if I just type exponent for exponential, then you can see that 25 squared is 625. In this way you can add all the exponents that are available. And as usual, I told you this thing in the Python's letter video as well, that this /n thing that is over here, that is for to break the line and write the things from the next line. As you can see here, the line has been broken several times. Otherwise the code looks a little messy, that's why. So this was how you can create your own calculator using C#. That was all for this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching.